Hi, now let's talk about the camera interactions you get with the Sense One. Right on the home screens, you can select one of the cameras that you have installed. For example, I'm going to select on cloud camera, and once it's loaded, you can see the live feed. If you tap the live feed on the right hand side, you can see 4 options. The first one is the speaker on off option, which is used for two-way communication. The second one is your live battery percentage. The third one is the SOS, and regarding the SOS we're going to talk about in a future video as well. And the final option is the full screen option, in which you can see your live feed in full screen. Right below that you have 3 more options: the talk option, the settings option, as well as the siren option. Talk option complements well with the speaker option and helps you in two-way communication. The settings option we're going to talk about in a further video because it's a lot of content. And finally, the siren option, which is used to scare away potential intruders. For example, I'm going to play it. There you go, it's quite loud. Right below that you have recent events. Now these events are different from the events that are there on home screen. On the home screen you have the events of all the cameras culminated into one, and over here it's the events which is captured by this particular cloud camera. You can also see the camera name as well as the model number, which is basically Sense One. And that was about how you can interact with the camera. For more videos, follow the playlist.